Do you know what is the true privilege of being a doctor? I've had multiple encounters like this, and I want to share a story that happened very recently. As an ICU physician, there's lots of patients and families where we have end of life discussions, goals of care discussions, patients who are end stage heart failure, severe heart attacks, severe strokes, paralyzed, on life support. And these are very nuanced and complicated discussions, and oftentimes we try our best to inform patients and families of all the options in front of them, the risks, and then we have to abide by whatever the family says as the final decision. Now, the other week we had a 70, 80-year-old gentleman who was in long-term care home, but over the past few months he's been declining cognitively and physically. He comes in with basically sepsis from a UTI, and he was very, very sick. He was on life support, on a ventilator, multiple vasopressors. The family were unsure. There was a son and a daughter. They were unsure what to do because the patient himself had requested to be full code and have everything done. I explained, basically given his comorbidities, his functional status, how severe things are looking, it would be pretty futile for us to do chest compression in this setting if his heart were to stop from severe sepsis because we're already doing everything we can. They understood all of this, and I was trying to go back and forth explaining all the questions and answers they had. And ultimately, the line they telling me that, moved me almost to tears. I was almost going to cry in front of them. Was basically like, they just said together, they said, "Doctor, we just trust you. We trust whatever you say we should do, and we'll just do that. We have complete faith in your decision." And that moved me, honestly. And I think that is the real privilege of being a physician, is that patients and their families, they trust you. They give you all their trust in the worst moments of their lives. And this is so precious because trust is so hard in a world like this. People who you trust to do the best for you. And that's why I think it's so beautiful and amazing to be a physician. And that's why I love my job, because I get to help people in times like this and truly try to do what's best for the patient and the families.